What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a little interior installation mod, whatever you want to call it. I bought these illuminated door sills from this company called OP Design. I've seen them a few times on Instagram. They look like they do some really good work. So if you see in the Jeep SRT, let me show you. Comes with just these silver boring door sills. So the ones I got are these. I haven't really unwrapped them yet. I don't want to like damage them or scratch them, but I'll show you the back ones. So you see the, wait, there's no back door sills back here?
What's this? Put your head between these two restrained logs and win a free hat. Well, that's a no-brainer. Come on, you fat. Do it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What the hell? Am I crazy? I thought there was back door sills back here. I guess not. So I guess I bought these for no reason. That's pretty crazy. I don't understand how. I don't know. Maybe I can have them installed or something. I don't know. But anyway, so this is what they look like. I mean, it's got the blue wrapper underneath. It's silver, just like the front. And then you have to get this installed, the wiring, and then these will illuminate once you get it all done. And then I also have this other box from Lighting Trends, which is like engine bay lighting. I've had it sitting in my apartment for months. I actually honestly forgot about it. So I'm gonna be getting that done today too. That's crazy. I can't believe there's no lighting sills for the back. It's so damn bright in here. That's crazy. Honestly, I don't know. I thought there was ones in the back. I might have to, I don't know, maybe I'll sell them or, I don't know, do something with them. So I guess I'm basically just getting the fronts installed. I mean, that's nuts. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. Today's Saturday. It's like 60-something degrees out. It's nice. Finally get to rock a t-shirt. I don't have to be rocking hoodies today. It's 12:30. My appointment's for 1. It was basically the last minute, so I wasn't planning to film this video today. It just kind of happened very randomly. I got the illuminated door sills this morning, and I was just calling around. I found this spot that has really good reviews. They're called PNA Autosport. That basically focus more on like electronics, like sound systems, lighting, and stuff like that. So I'm definitely gonna go over there right now, and I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. I don't know if I'll be able to, but if I don't, I'll just show you what what it looks like afterwards. 5 hours later. All right, guys, finally picked up the car. It was probably like, I don't even know how long, but all right. So I couldn't get the illuminated door sills in. For some reason, they couldn't figure it out. I think I figured it out after I left. I think they're like a little bigger. Like the piece is actually probably the size of like this whole part. So I think what you need to do is take this off, put the new illuminated badge underneath, and then have it that way. They thought it was just a complete replacement, like you just take this whole plastic off and I guess just put the metal, and I don't know, they couldn't figure it out, so whatever. So I ended up getting the whole front of the engine, well, I guess, what do you call it, like the grill, the whole grill, a blue color. So let me show you. So they actually did something pretty cool. So there's a switch right here, if you could see it. Basically it's just on, off. So that's a nice little touch. I like that. And let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm an idiot. I had it on, I turned it off. Let's try that again. So now it's on. So that's how the front of it looks. I'm definitely waiting for it to get darker out. Honestly, I think it looks awesome. I mean, you can see the reflection of the lights coming out of, there's lights up here, right on the demon hood part. That way you'll see the lights coming out. And then unfortunately, the only thing I don't like is it looks a little sloppy, is this light hanging over here, but because of the latch, that was like the best they could do. So they said if I want to, I could just put like some black tape over that part. That way it kind of like hides the light a little bit, but I'm gonna wait till it gets darker out. I kind of want to see what it looks like. I mean, honestly, it's not the worst thing in the world, but like I said, I got to see once it gets dark what it's gonna look like. But honestly, looks pretty good. Now I just got to get some blue like headlights and shit. But yeah, honestly, I like it. I like it. It looks good. Alright guys, I kind of figured this out now. It's the next day, it's Sunday. I was just looking into these, and honestly, I thought these pieces were going to replace... So let me show you. So I honestly thought this piece right here... Don't mind the blue tape, I just don't want to take it off. I don't want to start scratching these things. I honestly thought it was supposed to replace this, but actually what is supposed to happen is these are supposed to go down here. So I guess because most cars don't really have like badging right here, that's why they do these door sills, and they're supposed to sit right there. So I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna like the look having two SRT badges right there. Yeah, I don't know. That's something to definitely think about. So if you're thinking about the OP design light up boards, I mean, that's how it works. So there's double-sided tape on the other side, and literally that's just how it goes down. So it's not an exact replacement here, which I thought it was. That's why it didn't fit. That's why they didn't know how to install it. And then I kind of figured it out that it goes here. So yeah, just something to think about. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I just got the grill lights installed. I was hoping I was gonna get the illuminated door sills. The place that I took it to, P&A Autosport, they did an amazing job with the grill lights. I like the way they turned out. As far as the door sills, we all thought it was like replacements for the SRT badge that you already have on the floor. That's honestly what I thought it was for. But if you see the video that I just posted prior to this ending, you'll see that actually it's meant to go literally like on the bottom door sill. It's not supposed to replace the OEM piece. So I don't know how I'm gonna like that look, having two SRT badges, but I think at night you won't really notice it too much because it'll light up, so it'll look cooler anyway. It's just during the day it might look a little weird when you open the door and you see two SRT badges. So I don't know how I feel about that, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna do it anyway. So I gotta talk to the shop that I went to, P&A Autosport, and you know, see how much they're gonna charge me to install those, because you know, you gotta hide the wires, and I'm hoping there's no drilling or anything that needs to be done to hide anything. I hope it could just go under like the rubber like cushion panels or whatever, and kind of just run the wires that way. So definitely got to see. I got some bad news too as far as my build. It's gonna be delayed. A lot of my parts that I got are on back order. Damn COVID screwing everything up. But I called my shop. He's actually I deal with Alan at TNA Motorsport. He's actually excited because he told me he's like behind on like 3 builds, so he wasn't really ready to take me in anyway. So it kind of worked out for him. For me, I mean, it's good and bad. I got to save some more money because this is going to be a little pricey. I'm going to let you guys know once everything is done how much it's going to cost and everything like that. But it just sucks because, you know, keeping my car in this condition, I mean, I drive it here and there, but it just sucks that I can't really drive it when I want to, you know. So all right, so that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's probably a short one, but there's gonna be a lot more stuff coming, so just stay tuned. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.